Okay, I'm not really sure. Let's see, I am cooking fajitas. I should have had it all together from the beginning, but I didn't. So this is chicken with bell peppers and onions. And I don't know, it's probably going to take about 30 minutes to cook. But all you gotta do is take the bell peppers and cut it up with the onions and your seasonings. Guess I should be putting some I don't know. I'll be back. Okay, what we're going to do now is turn on the fire to medium. I'm going to put some oil in the skillet. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make it so that we can have some taco shells. And now since our fajitas are done, we could actually take the top off. And you know it's done because, turn this off too, because the food is brown now. See, it's brown. It's darker than it was when I first started. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to push this out the way so it can cool off. And what I like to do is go like that for the oil to get all over. Take your tongs, turn it over, and then when it starts getting, you'll know when it starts getting ready to turn. This gets hot pretty fast. Flip it over a few times. It'll start bubbling, getting hot, then you turn it over so it doesn't stick to the skillet. Or if you don't want any grease, some people just like to put it on the top of the, up here on the grill. I used to do it like that, but I don't know, I just like my shells to be a little hard. Now this would be a good time to have some cheese. Put it inside so that it'll melt. You don't want to close it all the way because you don't want it to stick. That way you're not going to be able to put the meat inside. Just kind of want to get it like this so it'll be kind of melted. Now you can take it out. Oh, I guess I should have put this over here. Set this on top. There you have your shell. I'm going to do another one because I only eat 2 tacos. For some reason I get full after that. So it's really simple. Turn it up when it starts bubbling. Flip it over. Now what you want to do after all the grease has came out, now you can start loading up your taco. Take your meat, your onions, your bell peppers, and you got you a meal. You could always add some rice and some beans, but I've had my share for the day. There you have it. You have your fajita taco.